Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to add images on Excel. So if you're new on our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. On our precedent videos, we saw how to change data with respect to their values. So for the video of today, we are still going to use the same group of data as you can see on the screen or on your worksheet. So in order to add images on Excel, first thing you need to do is to choose where you wish to add your image, okay? So for the essence of the video, we're going to see how to add an Excel logo, okay? So first thing first, I will choose to add my Excel logo here, okay? So the next thing I need to do is to click on Insert tab. So on the Insert tab, you're going to see at the level of the table group or at the add-in groups, you're going to see their illustrations, okay? While clicking, you're going to see the different graphics or the different images that you could add, okay? So it's possible for you to add shapes, possible for you to add icons, 3D models, okay, smart art, and also screenshots, okay? But for the essence of this video, we're going to add an image. So we're going to click on picture, and then the next thing you can do is either you choose an image from your computer, or you can choose an image in you can choose stock images, meaning you actually downloaded images on the online and you wish to use those stock images, okay? Or you can instantly choose an image from online and you can insert without any problem. So since I already have an image, I will just choose to download an image from my computer, okay? So as you can see, we directly enter into the location where my image was been placed. So I will choose my image, which is an Excel logo, and I will click on Insert, right? So upon clicking on Insert, obviously you are going to see something here, okay? Now it would depend on you, okay? Since I wish my Excel logo to be just to be small, okay, I will reduce the size, okay? So I will reduce the size of my logo, and as you can see, it's been reduced to what I wish to, okay? So since I wish my Excel logo to be here, okay, what I will do right now is to adapt my the background, okay? So as you can see, we are going to click at the level you can see on picture format, okay? So it's possible for you to actually bound or remove the background from your logo. So I will put my logo in a sense where it can be it can be visible to each and everyone. So when I've had the size that I wish to have, I will I'll arrive at the level of remove background. So I will remove my background, and obviously I will click on keep all the changes. So since I am removing my background, I can just mark the areas to keep, okay? And since we are just we wish to keep all this place, so I would just have just a look of it, and I'll click on keep all the background. So as you can see, my image have been inserted on my Excel worksheet, and if you wish to insert other images, you can just go at the level of the Insert tab. You click on illustrations, and you follow the procedure as we just saw, as we just see some few minutes ago. So I hope you guys love the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share to our videos. So let's see in the new videos. Bye bye.